Hey guys, welcome to vdchacademy.com, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss an example on semicircle. So here the given example is, if radius of a semicircle is 42 centimeters, then find the area. Given radius of semicircle is equal to 42 centimeters, and we already know that area of semicircle is given by the formula 1 by 2 into pi r square, that is half of area of circle. And then by substituting the value of r in the formula, we get 1 by 2 into 22 divided by 7 into r square, that is 42 into 42. And here by simplifying, we get 2 1 time is 2 and 2 11 times is 22. Here we get 7 1 time is 7 and 7 6 times is 42. So here we get 66 into 42. And here by multiplying, we get the result as 2772 square centimeters as the area of semicircle. So here the formula to find area of semicircle is 1 by 2 into pi r square. And now let us proceed and solve one more example on the same formula. So here the given example is to find the radius of semicircle if area is 5544 square meters. So here we are given with area. So here we already know that area of semicircle is given by the formula 1 by 2 into pi r square. And by substituting the value of area in the formula, we get 5544 is equal to 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into r square. And by transferring both the terms on the left hand side, we get 5544 into 2 into 7 by 22, which is equal to r square. Here the division term becomes the reciprocal when it gets transferred to the other side. So here 22 by 7 becomes 7 by 22. And now let us simplify this. So here 2 1 time is 2 and 2 11 times is 22. And then here 11 1 time is 11 and 11 504 times is 5544. So we get here r square is equal to 504 into 7. So that implies we get r square is equal to 3528. And we get r equal to square root of 3528. And that implies we get the value of r as 59.396 approximately. And at last we can conclude this by saying area of semicircle is given by the formula 1 by 2 into pi r square, that is half of area of circle. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vdchacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.